Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Weekly Webisodes. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I've got a great collection of cutting dies from Penny Black and also from Hot Off the Press. The Penny Black dies are Love and Thank You, and they combine to make really great cards. And we've got the U here that you can add in there as well. We've got a great money saver on these, and Paulette wanted me to mention that the U die from Hot Off the Press is substantially discounted, like really discounted. Like for the bundle, I think it's like $5. So this is a great deal, you guys. Put together, they make beautiful cards like this one that my friend Debbie made, perfect for Valentine's, and then right into thank you cards. I can't wait to show you what else we came up with, so come back and play with us. So for this card that Debbie made, this is a 6.5 by 5-inch card, and she used this wonderful paper. You can buy this by the sheet, and it is Love and Happiness paper. I had to take a look at the title on that one. It's so cute, and it's got that little print on the background. And as you can see, she cut it just a little smaller than her card, so she has a nice little white border. And then she used these border dies. They're actually great for slimline cards because they're so long, but they work great here too. She used this loopy one, and she die cut the large Love die from Penny Black using this tomato red suede paper. And if you're not familiar with suede paper, it's got a fabric textured pattern on the one side, and then on the other side it's paper, and it die cuts beautifully. So for here, for this card, she went ahead and glued the Love right there, and then she used this Thank You die, which is this beautiful script, of course just using the U here, and added some flowers. These are florets from 49 and Market, and the color is Salt. This great white color is really beautiful. This is a gorgeous Valentine. Another Valentine, here we go. For this one, we used the Penny Black Love die and also the Hot Off the Press U. And as you can see, there are two kinds of U's. There's the script and then the block. So she used the script here. She die cut both of them, one from solid, one from pattern, and then she just sort of offset them when she glued them together so they have a really nice shadow. So let's take a look at what she used here. So we've got the Romantic Florals 12 by 12 patterned cardstock and the solid cardstock to go with it. This is a gorgeous collection for Valentine's Day. It's got these beautiful vintage florals, and she actually used here some of the coordinating chipboard. She used this little piece right here and colored that with some ink pads. And you just got, well actually, I think she used pens on this one because of the details. She colored that with green and then a really nice dark red color. Isn't that beautiful? She used some little foam tape pieces behind the U to kind of lift that up so it has dimension. Also used the Earth Red ink pad, which is kind of a dark barn red color. Let me show you here this color. It's a great color. Beautiful card, Debbie. All right, on this next one, here's a slimline card. And for this one, I used kind of an oldie but a goodie. And that is the Little Things 12 by 12 paper pack. And I used one of these little corner motifs right here on my card and used some navy blue cardstock to mat that strip with, and then placed that on a slimline card, which is 8.5 by 3.5. And then I used my little Thank You die, which is so cute. It's hard to see when they're upside down, but here you go. You can see it's such a fine detailed die, and I cut that from a red glitter cardstock. Used a little bit of red ribbon from the red ribbon set, and then embellished these sweet little flowers with some red crystal embellishments. And then the last one I've got for you here, sort of a woodsy card. And for this one, I used the block U from Hot Off the Press for this one. And I used the Thank You from this die. Also used the sweet little stamp set. This is Woodland Critters. And this is from Hot Off the Press as well, and I used the sweet little owl, and where else? Where's the raccoon? The raccoon, and these cute little birds down here. right here. So the owl and the raccoon, I actually stamped those separately and then colored them and then cut them out using my tiny little scissors right here. And then for once I got everything glued onto the card front, then I went ahead and stamped directly to the surface using the birds, because they have those really delicate little beaks and delicate little feet, which are hard to cut out. For the little thank you, or rather the thank, once I die cut that from white cardstock, I used my little ink blending tool here and some, this is Friar Brown, and just inked that up and then just went along the bottom edge of that just to give it a little bit of that shadow. And the paper pack that was used is the Wood and Woodland 12 by 12 pattern cardstock, and I used this one right here, and then also used the coordinating cardstock. I used the green to mat it with. So yeah, I just took advantage of that really beautiful scene for the bottom, and then I die cut the U from one of the wood grain papers in the paper pack. So yeah, very simple card to put together, but using the little woodland critters to kind of peek out from around the letters was really fun. So as you can see, this one is actually behind the woodland, the U here, and then I just actually tucked the tail around it before I glued everything down. So you guys, fantastic little collection here. Can take you right from Valentine's Day to doing your thank you cards, which I think is really fun. So these are super versatile dies. Get all of them out here so we can see. Super versatile dies, and yeah, they're really fun to play with. So I hope you check out the Money Saver. It's on the right-hand side of the screen. And let's see what else. Oh yeah, if you want to shop this or that, look down to the bottom and you can add things directly to your cart. Everything that we used is listed there. And if you're watching us on YouTube, just look below the video in the description box and you'll find a link that'll take you to this Paper Wishes webisode page. And while you're there, a thumbs up really helps people find our channel. We would really appreciate that. And hey, subscribe. We do 4 to 5 videos a week and we wouldn't want you to miss a thing. So thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.